Hello everybody, welcome back to hardreset.info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the settings for device settings management on your CANON i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the menu from the home screen. When you want to go to the home screen, then click on this button right here. Let's click menu, and here let's go to preferences. Now go to network and scroll down until you guys see the device settings management. Here, as you guys can see, we have an option to enable it or disable it, and here we can disable it just like that. These settings are now configured, and now we can enable it. So now I'll show you the second way of doing that. So as you guys can see, we are on the website of the i-SENSYS MF650. Now what we need to do is, I'll show you guys the process. Let me log out. Here we need to select system manager mode, and as you guys can see, we do not need any username for that. We just need the remote UI access pin, and if you don't know yours, then it's probably 1234. If you changed it, then if you forgot it, then you guys can change it in the printer settings. So as you guys can see, now I am in, and here let's go over to settings and registration and go to the network settings. So here we need to go over here, and now we will have these settings for device management right here. Here we can click on edit, and we can either disable or enable it here. So let me disable it. Let's click OK, and it also applies to the printer automatically. So that's basically how you guys can do that. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.